Okay, a few minutes ago, my dog was just doing something really weird. Come here, Pooch. Come here. I'm just getting ready for summer camp, and she's just doing this really weird thing where she's going, she's scratching her. Okay, let's see if we can get her to do it again. Let's see if she'll do it again. Poochie, the camera's off now. See? Hang on, when she starts doing it again, I'll show you. Sorry. It's not very good resolution right now. That's the growl. Come here, Poochie. Pooch, get over here. Get over here. Come on. Hi. That's my dog, Poochie, guys. The one that was just doing the weird thingy. I can get her to do it. Hey, Poochie. Alright, Poochie, say bye to YouTube. Bye bye.